I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mic model and connector so you swap correctly, check firmware, and whether the mic needs 48V phantom power. Once done, power down the interface or mixer to avoid damage. Make sure you have the replacement mic, the right adapter, and anti-static measures at hand. You'll also note current gain, EQ, and placement so you can match sound later. This saves time and prevents a trial-and-error setup after the replacement. You now remove the old mic by disconnecting cables and unscrewing the mount while recording orientation and distance. Next, mount the new mic securely. Make sure threads and clamps are snug but not over-tightened. Then connect the proper cable or adapter and re-enable phantom power if needed. Once connected, restore the saved gain and basic EQ settings so you start from a known baseline. Finally, do a monitored sound check and listen for hums, pops, or clipping as you adjust levels. You finish by fine-tuning placement and polar pattern while making small EQ or gain adjustments to match tone. Move the mic and listen for improved clarity. If you hear noise, systematically check the cable, ground loops, phantom power, and any adapters. Swap parts to isolate the issue. If there's no signal, make sure the correct input is selected, drivers or firmware are up to date, and routing in the interface or mixer is correct. This step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.